Hi sweet team, welcome back to this channel. Today let's make watermelon popsicles at home. The fruit I'm going to use is watermelon. Let's get into it. My watermelon is washed. I will cut it into two. Using the bigger one in this recipe, I will divide it into 5 and cut it into pieces. This is really good for you, the kids. Even if you have older people at home, it's still good for them. The kids love sweet things. If you make this for them, it is better than going to buy those things outside. And it's good for pregnant women. If you have a lot of craving for sweet things, like me, this one is for you. As you can see, after cutting it, I have 2 badges, so I'll transfer it into my blender and I'll blend till it is smooth. Here is my bowl and my strainer. I will strain it because of the watermelon seeds. I don't want any black spots in it. I will repeat the process till I am done with it. If today is your first time on this channel, you are warmly welcome, my darling. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please, I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel for a recipe like this and more amazing recipes that is coming up, and click on notification bell to be notified anytime I drop a new video. I want to say a big shout out to all my new subscribers and thank you to all my viewers and subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for your support. If you are new here, please let me know where you are watching me from so that I can give you a shout out in the next video. After I'm done straining it, this is what I got. It looks so delicious. It's time to pack it, and I have my poly bag. I'll be using it to package, but if you have a popsicle mold, you can use that. It is really simple. You transfer the watermelon juice into the rubber, then you press it a little bit and tighten it. This is easy, right? Let me know in the comment section if you can do this. It is ready. I will put it into the freezer overnight. The next morning, when I took it out, this is what I got, and it looks so good. Anytime I make this, the kids go crazy for it. My husband, too, and even myself, because it's really good. Please comment down below and let me know if you will try this recipe, because you really need to try it. And please, if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel and please give me a thumbs up. Please, it helps me a lot. It encourages me to do more. If you have any recipe in mind that you want me to show, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video.